That'll be 4. Was there some bat involved, or was it off the thigh pad? There was bat. Oh, that's wonderful. That really is brilliant. Has it gone all the way for 6? Improvisation at its glorious best from Shahzad.
Oh, that's got away. That's a lovely shot.
30-yard circle inside the power play. Oh, that's 6. A Fogg maximum 6 over third man.
Oh, that's carved away. Very nicely done. Intelligent shot once again. Decisive in his opening over. Oh, once again, cracking shot. That's so pleasing here.
Their depth to the world. With shots like that. Terrific stuff. He's a law unto himself sometimes, Ahmed Shahzad.
Paktia Panthers, the rest of the dugout would be delighted with the start. Tried the helicopter and got away with it. Shahzad, you beat
It tends to bowl it very quick through the air as well.
Oh, up in the air, and that's going to be another 6. Also over the roof of the stadium. Oh, Mohammad Shahzad. Shouldn't be too critical of that. Flicked for a 6, would you believe it? Another very special shot. Whoa, another terrific shot. That's what Shahzad is known for. Moved away to... Oh, well, another opportunity, I suppose you could say. He could have been stumped there. Jumped out. Oh, that could be another Fogg 6 it is. Just step back on the back. Oh, what a shame. Inside edge. And that's the end of the Paktia Panthers skipper. What a terrific knock. A special one on this opening day of the Afghan Premier League. I suppose from the Kabul perspective, they'll...
Giza 2020 tournament in Kabul in September 2017.
That's a good start. Inside edge, a streaky shot, but that's going to be a 4.
Six. Fogg maximum. And well, I thought that was off the top edge at first. It still cleared the boundary at square leg. How's that missed the leg stump? Goodness knows. It has. That's going to be buys, I think. Indeed it is. That's the 50 partnership up. It's the end of the over.
They get around about that 210, 220, surely.
Up in the air. Safe. And another Fogg 4. I didn't quite catch it from the sweet spot that. But Malik... Oh, straight behind the bowler. As safe as possible. And another Fogg maximum. What a...
The ultimate price. That's going to be a boundary. Not convincing. Another googly from the leg spinner. And, well, a wry smile. It's a gun.
Oh, and he doesn't quite get the elevation. But there's no cover along. The strapping on his right elbow in tatters. Oh, straight behind. Wow, another terrific shot. Pads into the side screen. That's Sikandar Raza. 15th on again. We'll see. It's swinging around this match. Feel for Ali Khan, though. Oh, again. Back-to-back 6s. That's another Fogg match. Such an elegant and able fashion. Does he get the right length? Oh, it's on the outside of the bat. And he'll get another Fogg maximum. Little lucky at the outside. Last ball of the first innings. And Raza goes for another one. It will go all the way for another Fogg maximum. What a way to finish. Consecutive 6s. Whichever way it goes, it's been a terrific start. 200 plus. Oh, wow. Is that going to go over the roof as well? It does.
Finding the boundary at least once to the over. And every couple of overs, you want to make sure that you find the boundary twice. That is the scale of the peak they have to climb.
I think it's a very good move that the captain Rashid Khan has promoted himself up the order. Seen him play some blinders at the international level, in the IPL as well. Remember a big game, played really well. Can play those big shots. Exactly what I was mentioning about. Lovely footwork. Beautifully done by the captain Rashid Khan. That's a fog maximum 4.
A few inches from being a fog maximum 6. Tell you what, terrific strike this. Used his feet and got to the pitch of the ball, gave himself a bit of room. Got it right out the middle of the bat and placed it perfectly as well. He's come to the crease with plenty of intent, plenty of aggression, Rashid Khan. He wants to make a statement. Again, carved away through the offside.
Oh, he's given it some air again, and Rashid Khan has repeated the dose. This time square.
Very tidy now to get Paktia a victory. Short, pulled away. It's a fog maximum 4. Evans celebrates. What a win. Remarkable from Kabul. How on earth they've got victory there, goodness only knows. But they've done it from absolutely nowhere. They
हर पल मेरी याद तुम्हें तड़पाएगी मैं जागूंगा नींद तुम्हें ना आएगी हर पल मेरी याद तुम्हें तड़पाएगी मैं जागूंगा नींद तुम्हें ना आएगी छोड़ के ऐसे हाल में जो तुम जाओगे सच कहता हूँ जा बहुत पछताओगे परदेसी मेरे यारा मुझे ना रुलाना तुम याद रखना कहीं भूल न जाना परदेसी परदेसी जाना नहीं मुझे छोड़ के है